Hi guys, welcome back to the Cold Factory. It's Raquel. Today's video is going to be a comparison video between two Curly Girl approved leave-in conditioners. I've featured both of them on my channel before, so I'm no stranger to both of these leave-in conditioners. But today I'm going to share my thoughts on the application of the two as well as the results. But before we get into this video, what leave-in conditioners am I talking about? Today you're going to see me use and apply the Jackie's Quench. This is a moisture intensive leave-in conditioner, and you're also going to see me apply from As I Am the olive oil and tea tree oil leave-in conditioner. As I said, you guys are going to see the application, hear my thoughts on the application as well as the results. But guys, please subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram as well as Facebook, and join the Cold Factory family. So on this side of my hair, I went in with the As I Am. This is from the Dry and Itchy Scalp Care, the olive oil, tea tree oil leave-in conditioner. This I have featured on my channel, as I said, and I don't really care much about the smell. So I applied each one on either side of my hair, and I'm just going to go into, comparing the two. When it came to the application, I applied it in larger sections, and you guys will see the application because I'm going to insert it. But I'm going to start off with the smell. They smell completely different. The Aunt Jackie smells really nice. The As I Am has more of a medicinal type of smell to it. So the smells are like worlds apart. I really like the Aunt Jackie smell a whole lot better. When it comes to the texture, it's different as well. The As I Am is more creamier, whereas the Aunt Jackie's is more of a liquid. It's very, very watery, very, very runny. So the smells and the textures are both completely different, therefore making the application different. The application for the As I Am, it is creamy, but it's not very, very thick. So it's not thick and creamy, but it is more cream based. So the application goes on nicely. The smell is very, very strong. The Aunt Jackie's aids detangling a whole lot better as a leave-in conditioner because there's more slip, it's more liquid in consistency. So when it comes to how much of product you use, I think I'd use more on Jackie's just because of the consistency. When I have leave-in conditioners that are more watery, I find myself using more. So I will use more. When it comes to price, the Aunt Jackie's is cheaper than the As I Am. Let's look at how much of product. The As I Am is 8 fluid ounces or 237 milliliters, and the Aunt Jackie's is 12 fluid ounces or 355 milliliters. So 8 fluid ounces and 12 fluid ounces. So the Aunt Jackie's is a whole lot better. So the application, you guys can see they both went on fine. No complaints in that department. I spoke about the smell as well as the size of the products. Now let's go in with the results because I have it in my hair at the moment and I do have a styler on top. If you do want to know what styler I have, I do have the As I Am curling jelly in my hair. I've used it before with both products off camera. So both leave-in conditioners played well with the gel that I have in my hair. No flaking, no itching, none of that type of stuff. My hair is nice and soft on both sides. Zero complaints. It's day 3 that I'm filming this video. It's not the next day. So this is day 3 here that you see. My hair still has moisture. My hair is nice and soft. Both of them did a very, very good job as leave-in conditioners. No complaints in that department. That's it, guys. A very, very quick comparison video comparing both of these leave-in conditioners. They are both Curly Girl approved, and I hope you enjoyed it. And you can see side by side, they're both in my hair stash. I have repurchased this. I think this is maybe my 3rd or 4th bottle of the Quench, and this is my first one. I won't be repurchasing this because if you watch my video, I said if I'm having dry and itchy scalp, then this is a product that I would buy, but I'm finishing this off in my hair stash. It's almost finished, but this is something that I have bought over and over again. Drop your comments down below if you've tried either one of them and what are your thoughts on them as leave-in conditioners. As always, guys, you will see me again in another video. Take care.